Today we're going to be reading a story called Spotted Cheetah, Spotted Cheetah. Where are you going? You can read along with us if you want. Ready? Spotted Cheetah, Spotted Cheetah. Where are you going? I am going to see my friend the orange fox. What sound does the fox make? The orange fox makes the sound bark, bark, bark. Orange fox, orange fox, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the brown squirrel. What sound does the squirrel make? The brown squirrel makes the sound chirr, chirr, chirr. Brown squirrel, brown squirrel, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the black and white skunk. What sound does the skunk make? The black and white skunk makes the sound spray, spray, spray. Black and white skunk, black and white skunk, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the white poodle. What sound does the poodle make? The white poodle makes the sound arf, arf, arf. White poodle, white poodle, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the gray hamster. What sound does the hamster make? The gray hamster makes the sound squeal, squeal, squeal. Grey hamster, Grey hamster, what are you doing? I am playing with all my friends. Can you remember all the friends I am playing with? I am playing with the spotted cheetah, the orange fox, the brown squirrel, the black and white skunk, and the white poodle. We are all good friends. The